Università Politecnica delle Marche is a medium-sized university whose activities focus on the fields of engineering, medicine, biology, economic and agricultural science. Research is carried out within the 12 departments, 5 of which have been rewarded as departments of excellence: the Department of Civil and Building Engineering and Architecture, the Department of Industrial Engineering and Mathematical Science, the Department of Management, the Department of Biomedical Science and Public Healthcare, and the Department of Life and Environmental Science. The Departments of Excellence have been selected by the Italian Ministry of University and Research for the quality of their research and the innovative character of their projects. Thanks to this award, the 5 departments have attracted extraordinary investments to fund 5 years development projects to strengthen and enhance the excellence of research, with investments in human capital, infrastructures, and highly qualified teaching activities. The Department of Civil and Building Engineering and Architecture was rewarded thanks to its innovative research of excellence in the fields of hydraulics and road infrastructures, construction science and techniques, technical architecture and building production, architectural design and topographical surveys. The approach of the research pays particular attention to the topic of resilience towards natural disasters, environmental sustainability, and the energetic impact of constructions and materials, also applying innovative techniques and creating important international synergies. The department has joined its laboratories together in the Central Lab 2E Lab, where the development projects for the safety and resilience of the natural and artificial environment are performed. The Lab of Excellence of the Department of Industrial Engineering and Mathematical Science focuses on the areas of additive manufacturing and collaborative robotics for the Industry 4.0 and aims at implementing the use of these technologies in business. The department has invested approximately 9 million euros in human capital, hiring 16 PhD students and 3 researchers, and in the creation of the new lab, acquiring innovative equipment. Research is mainly addressed to industrial sectors such as automotive and aeronautic industries, oil and gas, and the related educational activity aims at shaping highly specialized professionals. The department cooperates with international universities such as MIT, Grenoble, Manchester, and with many firms who are leaders at both local BS, Danini, and global Magneti Marelli, Baker Hughes, General Electric level. Through this cooperation, applied research activities are carried out and PhD students can be trained on the field, increasing therefore their employability. The project Intangibles 4.0 aims at developing applied and theoretic scientific knowledge on intangibles in the sectors of management, businesses, real and financial markets, and in the wider socio-economic context. The project springs from the multidisciplinary interest and expertise that DIMA researchers have grown on intangibles, such as human capital, skills, patents, brands, database, software, and relations with customers and stakeholders, and how the impact of digital revolution, phenomena, smart technology, Industry 4.0 has reshaped the processes of decision-making, production and distribution, transactions on real and financial markets and their regulations. The target of the research is to design new models of management, decision-making, communication, accounting or regulations concerning intangibles. Investments have been aimed at strengthening the human capital of the department, in particular the youth, with PhD scholarships and research grants, and at acquiring software and database in support of research. Some of the most successful partnerships involve international universities such as George Washington University, USA, Uppsala University, and Stockholm University in Sweden. The department has 2 labs: Digital Strategy and Data Intelligence Analysis Lab and Corporate Performance and Management Lab, where theoretic and especially applied skills requested in the job market are developed and graduates are immediately given the chance of supplying the business demands of digitalization. The Department of Biomedical Science and Public Healthcare is active in 10 scientific sectors in the area of clinics, laboratory and prevention, and during the COVID-19 health emergency, the department has largely contributed to the national commitment to contain the pandemic. The service and clinics mostly involved in these efforts, in collaboration with the national healthcare system, have been pneumology, anesthetics, intensive care, infectious disease, hygiene, and microbiology and virology. From 2017, the department has developed projects focused on the analysis and study of new toxic psychosubstances of synthetic origin to achieve updated data collection, fight their trade in the illicit market, and join the efforts to prevent their use among youngsters. The department is also active in legal medicine, pharmacology, medical statistics, logics and philosophy of science, anatomy and pathological histology, cardiovascular diseases. The awarded funds have been invested in strengthening the labs and the equipment used in the research fields of toxicology, psychomotor performance evaluation, genomics analysis, and state-of-the-art electronic microscopy. The Department of Life and Environmental Science, DISVA, is at the top of national and international research, with teams and skills tailored to cope with complex problems with a multidisciplinary approach. The main thematic areas concern molecular and cell biotechnologies, aging, nutrition, environmental pollution, ocean health and recovery, new molecular approaches in the study of evolution and biodiversity, blue growth, climate changes, and the new threats for man and the environment. To achieve the research objectives, the DISVA pursues a policy of continuous investment to create state-of-the-art laboratories, and today is equipped with highly professional tools for cell microscopy and imaging, for sophisticated analytical techniques, and for experimenting and maintaining marine organisms in the extreme environmental conditions. The department coordinates important international projects such as on microplastics, emerging pollutants, and the restoration of marine ecosystems.